I will show you how to claim EthereumFair tokens from Metamask wallet. You can also claim Ethereum POW ETHW airdrops as well. I will provide the link below. I will show you step by step. Since Ethereum merge happened on September 15 at 1:12 a.m. CST according to ethernodes.org/merge. Those of you might wonder how to claim EthereumFair tokens supported by Polex exchange. As of shooting this video, I have 7.2 ETH sitting in my Ethereum main chain on my Metamask wallet. I am eligible for 7.2 ETHF tokens. I will show you how to claim your EthereumFair or ticker symbol ETH. As of shooting this video, ETH token price is $3. It dropped from $18 initial opening price on Gate.io exchange. According to official EthereumFair Twitter with Twitter handle EthereumFair, you can claim your ETHF tokens right now. All you need is go to Metamask wallet, assuming you have your main chain Ethereum on same Metamask wallet, go to Networks. Click at Networks. Because EthereumFair is totally different chain from Ethereum 2.0 or the POS chain, you need to add ETHFair chain, a new chain in Metamask. I entered following parameters on my Metamask wallet. Network name, EthereumFair. New RPC URL is https://rpc.etherfair.org. Chain ID is 513,100. Currency symbol is ETHF. Block Explorer URL is https://explorer.etherfair.org. Click Save. I will list all this Metamask parameter in the video description site as well as official Twitter link from EthereumFair. Now you will have exact equivalent ETHF tokens. In my case, I have 7.2 ETHF tokens. Next, I will explain which centralized exchanges list ETHF tokens in Blockchain Explorer and mining pools. Exchanges that support ETHFair tokens are Binance.com, FTX will list at a later date, Coinbase not sure. Here are the ones confirmed: ETH listing confirmed: Nexo, Gate.io, Poloniex, Mex, FMX, DigiFinex, and Coin. ETHFair backer is Chandler Guo. Follow him on Twitter for details. As of now 10 a.m., 16 September, UTC. ETHF spot trading is already on FTX, Bybit and Bitmart. ETHFair or ETHF Explorer is explorer.etherfair.org. This is similar to etherscan.com for Ethereum 2.0 or POS chain. All ETHF mining pools are listed at miningpoolstats.stream/EthereumFair. If you have Ethereum mining GPU rigs or Ethereum mining ASICs, I would divert towards f2pool.com with pool fee of 1% PPS. It has as rate of 30.7 th/s. Second most is woolapooly.com at 0.9% PPLS fees. More on ASIC mining, follow my mining video, link provided below. In conclusion, I would not hold ETHF or list it as ETF on CoinMarketCap for too long. If you remember what happened to Bitcoin Cash, BCH, after the hard fork, it crashed in price. Same thing will happen to ETH Fair unless lots of Defi Protocols are launched in this new chain. I doubt any bit venture capitalist or miners will pony up cash to attract Defi Protocols to make this token worth more in terms of utility. I would transfer tokens or deposit into Gate.io exchange or others I mentioned earlier and sell them into USDC. If Gate.io blocks you, use a VPN like Proton VPN to supported country like Japan and sell your tokens.